Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. I am at my mom's place in Washington State. I'm staying here for the week of Christmas and getting a lot of projects done. This is my mom's 2008 Honda CRV, and let me show you what I'm gonna do. So this broke, I guess, a few years back, and they went to the Honda dealership, and Honda was telling them it's gonna be like 500 bucks. And of course, my dad didn't want to pay that, so instead he just kind of taped everything up with electrical tape. And after he passed, I was like, what do I need to fix to make sure that this car is good for my mom? And so anyways, I ordered one off eBay, and it's exactly like it. I'll do a side-by-side comparison, but exactly like it, brand new for 22, but even has these little, these little divots, or these little things. It does, oh yeah, it does has a saying. It's has electrical plug-in, has the exact same mounting points. So it's actually more involved than I thought. Here are 8mm nuts like this, and there was a 10mm nut right here. There was a Phillips head screw right here, and I didn't know there's a hidden one right here, so I had to pull the door panel back a little bit. But in order to pull the door panel back, you got to do a screw here. I did a screw here just in case. There's 2 screws right here, which I'm going to take out, and I'll probably pull this out more so I can reach the wiring. And then there was a screw down here in the little handle. And let me get to it, and when I'm done, I'll put it back together and do the side-by-side comparison. All right, so I finally got it out. The wire was really deep in the door, so I had to pull out a little bit more. But like I said, if you just kind of look at comparison, it is exactly the same. Yeah, just I can't believe it. And like I said, it still has those 3 textures there. Everything looks the same, plugs look the same. Yep. Anyway, so I'm gonna put it back in and reinstall it. All right, so I put it back together. Sorry, the car tested it, but let me just kind of show for accountability reasons. All right. Up, down. All right, there we go, good to go. 2008 Honda CRV side mirror replacement.